Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Etsy Print on Demand, how to sell t-shirts on Etsy with Printify. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now let's get started right away. Now as you know, Printify allows you to choose or create any design and then sell it with any product. As you can see here on their catalog, you will be able to see a lot of different types of product, but in today's video we will be focusing on t-shirts. So let's search that right now over here on Printify's search bar. So simply search t-shirt and click on enter, and you will be able to see all the designs available for us to create a design on and sell on Etsy. Now let's select one first. Over here, let's select this very first option. Of course, for you, you have the option to explore all of these different options over here because there are multiple options. For example, this one, the torso area or the chest area are where your design will be placed. But for this one over here, you could create a design for the entire t-shirt. And depending on the design or depending on the type of t-shirt you want to create, you just simply look for the type of options that you have over here where the design will be located. So I'm gonna go and choose this first option over here. And when I select a t-shirt or that t-shirt, we will be redirected to the description page over here. As you can see in this area, you will be able to see description about t-shirt. You will be able to see the material, all of this information. You can see product details like key features like with seams, shoulder tape, ribbon knit color with seam, and fiber composition over here as well. And if the product or the specific t-shirt that you find fits or you think it is good enough, you will be able to select a specific print provider over here. Each print provider will cost differently, as you can see. For example, this one, Diplume, this is from Canada. You will see that their price is from 12.91 USD, and their shipping would cost 6.59, and then their average production time, as you can see here. And the second one, we have this Poland option. It will cost 11.30 USD. The standard is 4.99, but this will take longer than the first option. And of course, the sizes will be different as well. Although right now, the sizes are almost the same. The colors will be different as well. This one has 17, but while this one has 12. And you will be able to see more details about the print provider when you click on more details. Let's click on Start Designing. And when you click on that, you will begin to start designing your t-shirts. As you can see, this is the canvas. This is where you will be able to place your design, this square over here. And you are also able to place design on the back. You will be able to get your designs from your device, have an AI image generator create your design, or you could put custom text, use Shutterstock, Dropbox, Google Drive, or even hire someone from Fiverr to create your design on your t-shirt. You can also choose from your library. Basically, in the library, this is where you will be able to find different images that you have used in the past. As you can see, I already have some designs over here. You can also choose from templates and graphics over here. Under graphics, you will be able to see different elements, different types of design that you could put on your design over here. And although this is great, you will be able to create good designs. I suggest you use a different platform or a different website to generate and create your design that you will be using to sell on Etsy. And that platform is called Canva. Canva is an amazing platform that would allow you to create hundreds and thousands of design using the different types of elements that it has. So let's create our design. Simply click on Create Design over here on the top right, or actually click on the search bar over here and simply type in t-shirt. When you type in t-shirt, you will be able to see you have this option t-shirt over here. Make sure that it has this icon over here and not this magnifying glass icon to ensure that you are viewing the correct template or the correct t-shirt size. And as you can see, aside from being able to use a blank canvas where the dimensions are correct, you will be able to see different templates over here as well that you could use and download for your own. Of course, you have to change the design because this is not something that you own. you will have to open it, then edit the different components, all of those stuff, but you'll be able to use them as your reference as well. So let's start with creating a blank design. Now keep in mind, I'm not the best designer out there, so our design will not be the best, but you could utilize this. Now, the main thing that you will be using in Canva are elements, text, and uploads over here on the left side. Elements allows you to search and view different types of elements out there. So let's say minimalist globe. And when I search that, we will be provided with graphics, photos, and even videos. We will be mainly using graphics, and as you can see, this is the graphics over here. You could choose any type of design that you want, any type of text that you have in your mind. You could search them over here. So for example, I'll settle with this. I'll zoom this in. There we go. And I'll search minimalist earth. There we go. And this time we have a different output over here. Maybe this one. You put this in the middle. Some of the elements you will be able to change the color by clicking on this option over here. Click on color, turn it to black, and you will be able to change the color. There we go. I really don't like that design, so let's look for another one. Let's see, there's a lot of different options over here. You could choose other options as well, for example, black hole. It all depends on your idea or like your theme that you're going for. But let's go with this one for now. We have a black hole over there. And what other things that we can add? Maybe this one. No. Let's choose something else. There's a lot of potential for our design over here. Maybe we could add this crack effect over here. There we go. Zoom this in. Let's make sure that it is black. And let's settle with this for now. This is our very minimalistic design. And actually, I'm going to position this to the back. There we go. Now, the next step is to click on share over here on the top right. Click on download and download it as a PNG or have it as a transparent background. Now, the transparent background is for pro versions of Canva. If you don't have pro version, you can simply utilize another platform. Search in Google, background remover. There's a lot of websites out there that would allow you to remove the background. But after that, after removing the background, simply click on download. And now we could go back over here on our Printify. Simply drag your design into the page and we will be able to have our design that we have just created into Printify. And there we go. Let's simply wait for it to load. And there we go. Now you can simply resize this. Keep in mind, you cannot exceed this line over here. You will not be able to put your design outside this area, as you can see when I put it outside. So let us center this. Let's put it in the center. There we go. Then you can also preview it. There's a lot of mockups that you can check out over here. You could have a mockup, a simple mockup like front and back. There's also persons over here. And there's also different options over here. You have lifestyle and duo. And let's see the output. There we go. You can also check out the duo option over here. Let's wait for it to load. And this is our output. You could also choose a color over here. Right now, this is currently white, but you could choose other options as well later on. Over here, you can simply click on select, and then you can select the other options of color that you want to have. As you can see here, you simply select them, and it will automatically add them to your options over here. And after that, let's simply click on save product over here. Also, you could add multiple designs if you want into a single design. And click on save product. And you will be redirected to this page over here where you can edit more details. You have your mockups over here. As you can see, you can preview them over here again. You have your description. Simply add the description of your title. Then the description over here. And the variants. You can edit them over here. You can edit the pricing for the different variants. And over here, this is where we will be able to edit it and connect it with Etsy. Simply click on connect a store. And we will be able to connect our different store with our Printify. Right now, I already have Shopify and eBay over here. But to be able to connect Etsy, simply click on the add new store over here on the top right that we clicked earlier. And you have the Etsy option over here. There's also other options over here. But with Etsy, simply click on connect to Etsy. and you're going to have to log into your Etsy account to be able to connect it. And after that, you will be able to upload and send in the different products that you have created into your Etsy store. For example, over here, as you can see, I could select all of this and simply publish it to our Etsy store over here. And then we will be able to begin selling in Etsy using Printify with Print on Demand. So that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.